Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome product called VidAIGraphics, which is a brand new innovative app that turns simple words into unlimited mesmerizing, attention grabbing, stunning graphic instantly for ads, websites, social media and many more without any skills, tools or budget. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, it various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 5 plus action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $699 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.